In today's video, we're making these fun cakes. Yes, fun cakes for the children. And what makes them fun is the fact that they have all of this colorful frosting and colorful sprinkles. So what child you know wouldn't enjoy these cupcakes? I'm going to teach you first how to make the cupcake, and I'll show you how to make the orange cream frosting at the end. You'll want to grab a pen and paper because I am not going to post the ingredients nor the recipe anywhere else. We're using a half cup of softened butter. A half cup is equivalent to 1 stick. We're going to also use 1 cup of sugar and use the blender to cream them together. Let's add in 2 eggs. And once we're done mixing our eggs, we want to scrape down the sides of that bowl with a spatula. We do this to make sure that all of the ingredients are well incorporated. Next, we're going to add in our buttermilk, 1 cup. You can also use regular milk. Now it's time to add our flour and baking powder mixture. That is 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. The final ingredient in our cupcake batter is this vanilla extract, and we used 2 teaspoons. Our batter is ready to go inside of the cupcake pan. I'm using some cupcake liners. That's optional. If you don't want to use cupcake liners, go ahead and use a baking spray to make sure that your cupcakes do not stick to the pan. Please don't overfill your cupcake pan because the cupcake batter will rise on its own. What you see me doing here is a process called knocking out the air bubbles. We want to remove these air bubbles because those bubbles will create holes in your cupcake. You can also use a toothpick to get out the air bubbles, which I'm going to show you here in a second. You'll need 2 sticks, which is equivalent to 1 cup of softened butter that you'll cream up with the blender. Then you're going to scrape down the sides of your bowl so that everything is well incorporated. You're going to be using 2 cups of powdered sugar. And in the event that you find your frosting to be too thick, you can add a couple of splashes, maybe 2 tablespoons or so of milk or heavy whipping cream. I was pretty satisfied with the texture, the consistency of this frosting, so I didn't add anything else to it.
Hand in hand, building castles out of sand.
My goal is to create an orange color frosting because the flavor I'm going to add is an orange extract. So I'm using 2 colors, which is the red and yellow food coloring. And I'm not using an exact measurement. I'm just going to go in and put enough until I'm satisfied with the color.
Here we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond dawn. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go.
I'm just going to go ahead and decorate these cupcakes in no particular order, using all types of sprinkles, different colors, and glitter. You can find these in the baking aisle. Just make sure that whatever you're using is edible.